welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Lynette. Okay, I'm about to throw the camera. I have to get so long without doing a sit down, so I am extremely excited. So excited. Anyway, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. That wasn't me. Hi, my name is Awat and welcome to my YouTube channel. I haven't done sit down in so long, so I am so excited and hoping that it goes the way it's supposed to go. Anyway, my name is Awat Lynette, and if you are new here, welcome to this amazing channel. And here we're all about good vibes, travel, vlogs. We are starting we're starting sit downs in a little while with people to talk about conversations that matter. Nothing too serious, but we're going to have good vibes, but very educative vibes very soon. Anyways, today, as you can tell by the title, I am here to do a head wrap. Guys, I wish I could tell you my story on how I learned how to do head wraps. The internet has been very useful, and I would also love to add value to you guys. I'd like to add value to you guys by teaching you how to do a nice head wrap. We're going to use this one.
Funny is that I've never bought a head wrap for myself. I've always been gifted
head wraps. And yeah, this plus another pink one. Let me get it. They were all gifted to me by a male. Yeah. Anyway, today I'm just here to teach you guys how to do a very nice head wrap in like a very short period of time. I'm not gonna lie to you, I took so long to learn. It's just funny that the people that were so interested in me learning how to do a head wrap are no longer in my life. And yeah, but I send them shout outs. Guys, you know, failed friendships. Anyway, let me just do the head wrap, guys, and get out of here. So this is a head wrap, and I'm going to do it in like the simplest of ways. So this is what you do. You have your head wrap. I usually do head wraps because I don't like to do my edges. Yeah. So this is what you do, and you tie from behind, but make sure that both sides are like what they call it, equal, as if, yeah, like just make sure they're a little bit equal. Okay, these are not really equal, but they're almost. So tied from behind there. Okay guys, like the most dramatic, but this is how I do it, so I don't want to lie to you. So tie it from behind there, and then just bring it to one side, bring both of them to one side, and start not really crocheting but like doing this, not really neat, but it should be. And then bring it like this and just fix it inside there. Ta-da! We have a head wrap. Yeah, people loved my head wrap sometime on Instagram, so I thought I should show you. Yeah, this is the simplest way that I love doing it because it's probably the only thing I know, like the only style I know. But I love it. Anyway guys, that's the head wrap, and that's the head wrap tutorial. I hope that it's been helpful. Just keep trying, that's what I'm gonna say. Keep trying, and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that every time I post a new video you are able to see it. Do not forget, I was just saying that do not forget to escort the head wrap with a nice pair of earrings and some nice makeup. This is not the best makeup, yeah, so don't be coming at me. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave